guys, it's Jackie. I am here with a lovely pink Valentine look. So earlier I was trying to film this intro and my light went out, so I had to charge the battery. So while I was charging the battery, I thought I would rest my eyes because I was exhausted. I couldn't keep my eyes open and I was cold. I couldn't get warm, couldn't get comfortable. It's been a rough one, but yes, here I am filming the intro and finishing this video off. So yeah, if you think you might like this look for Valentine's Day, then you should stay tuned and I'll show you how I got it. Here we are. Still sick, but moving on anyways. We gotta keep on trucking. Alright, so I'm recording this on Wednesday, the 30th? Yes, Wednesday the 30th, but you're going to see it on the 1st of February, Friday. So I figured since this will be up on the 1st of February, why not make it a Valentine's Day look? So we are gonna Valentine's it up and make this a Valentine's look. So we're gonna do a very pink eye. It's gonna be very pink, lots of pinks. So, and I'm gonna be using Color Workshop and LA colors. So yeah, let's hop into this. Okay, we're gonna go into this pretty pink in one of the Color Workshop palettes. We're gonna go into that pink right there. I'll put that as our transition shade. So let's pop that on. So, do any of you guys have any Valentine's plans? I myself don't. I don't know what. We'll probably just be hanging out at the house. I don't really care about Valentine's Day much. It's just another day. I mean, you should show the person you love that you love them every day, not just on Valentine's Day. So, that's how I look at it. Sorry, my voice is even more raspy than it was in the last video. It's just that cold is moving on down to a chest cold now, so it's getting me in my chest, making me cough and making my throat dry and raspy. We're gonna go into this little rainbowish. We're gonna use this pink, and we're gonna use that just like right in the crease and outer corner. We're going to use a smaller blending brush for that. Clearing my throat a lot. Reminds me of that Busta Rhymes song, Let Me Clear My Throat. Anybody know that? Anyone? No? Just me? Okay. That's cool. Do I even know who Busta Rhymes is anymore? No? Just me? Alright, that's cool. I'm sure some of you know who Busta Rhymes is. I'm not that old. There's that so far. Now I want to go in to the LA Colors 16 color eyeshadow palette. This one doesn't have a name. Oh, Smokin'. It's called Smokin'. I want to go into this darkish pinky color and I want to deepen the outside a little with that. So get another crease brush. Just pop that on the outer corner just to deepen that a little more. Ooh. Okay, so there's that. We may deepen that up even more by wetting the brush later. But first, I would like to go in with a flat brush And I'm going to wet this. Set that right there. And I'm going to go into this real baby pink right there. We're going to put that all over the lid. The wet flat brush. Pop that all. Okay, so now I want to go back into this palette, the Color Workshop palette. And I want to try to pop a little of this on top and just right in the middle. So I'm going to use my finger first and see how well that works. I have a feeling I'm going to have to use a wet brush. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Let's take this other side of this brush that we wet and let's use that. Let's wet it a little more. Pop that right there. In the middle. To be honest with you, it might be too close to that baby pink. You might not even be able to tell it's on there. You know, I don't even think it made a difference, to be honest with you. Well, isn't that fun? We are going to take that darker pink that we darkened the outer corner with. We're actually going to damp this a little bit. We're going to go into that dark pink again. Just kind of make it darker, more ba-bam, you know. There we go. I'm going to go into this darker pink right here that we used in the crease. We're going to go into the crease again. Going to clean up the crease a little bit. And go into that lighter pink that we used as a transition shade, and we're gonna buff out the edges with that. Okay, now we're gonna go underneath with that with the not this one, with the crease shade, sorry. And go back and go underneath with that crease shade. Now we're going to use the outer corner darker pink shade just on the outside corner. Connect it. Okay. Now we have to go in with some eyeliner. Use my E.L.F. eyeliner. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be back. Okay, so there's that. I also popped on my highlight, powdered and use setting spray, so that's all set. Now the only thing that's left is our lips. And what is a pinky Valentine's Day look without a pink lip? So I'm going to use this pink lip pencil from the Color Workshop. It doesn't have a name, it's just pink in color. I'm going to line my lips, fill them in, and then go over top with an LA Colors lip color in Pink Frost. So let's do that. That was a little challenging. My lips are pretty dry. But let's go over that with this Pink Frost by LA Colors. Okay, and that just kind of gave it more of a frosty, a little bit of glittery pink look. So here is the final look. Very pink Valentine's Day look. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. I don't know what you're waiting for. We have lots of fun here. And hit the notification bell to become part of the #Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. I post every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And my videos usually go up about 10 a.m. on those days. And yeah, also head on over to my Facebook page, Beauty Obsessions with Jackie, and like that page, and there you will see sneak peeks of future looks and past looks. And also when I get a bunch of people on that page, I'll start doing lives. So yeah, head on over. There's a link in my description box all the way at the bottom. And yeah, like that page. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope my cold goes away soon, so future videos don't sound so raspy and sickly. Pray for me. So yeah, that's today's video, and I hope you will tune in for future videos, and I also hope you have a great day. Bye.